In this objective question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the forelimbs of the cat, lizard used in walking, forelimbs of the whale used in swimming, and forelimbs of the bats used in flying. With this specification, let me evaluate the anatomical structure of this given species to get the clarity so that we can specify the correct answer after ignoring the wrong option. In this picture, we can see the anatomy of the human, cheetah, whale, bat, forelimb are having similar type of anatomy pattern but doing different functions. So we are choosing option C as the correct answer after ignoring option A, B and D to secure 4 marks. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving us a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. Organs that have a core anatomical layout and a comparable embryogenesis, regardless of diverse role they may accomplish, are considered as homologous organ. For instance, the forelimb of the human, horse, bat, bird, and whale are all physiologically and functionally distinct from one another. With this specification, we choose an option C as a correct answer to secure 4 marks.